Hello students, welcome back to my class. Welcome back to Biology Planet. In our earlier videos, we have discussed about the liver, about the pancreatic gland. Now in this video, we will discuss about the digestion in small intestine. Though this is a small, the name of this intestine is a small intestine, but it is the larger than the large intestine, right? ये थोड़ी सी बड़ी होती है, छोटी नहीं होती है. And small intestine is consist of three parts, that is duodenum, jejunum and ileum. This uppermost part is known as duodenum. Right? This third part is known as jejunum, and this part is known as ileum. This part is known as ileum. So students, you can see that this duodenum, which is the uppermost part of the small intestine, it receives all the secretion from the liver and from the pancreas. So if it is receiving all the secretion from the liver and from the pancreas, so maximum digestion of the food will take place in the duodenum. Right? So the complete digestion of food will take place in the duodenum. How bile and pancreatic juice works on the food, वो हम पहले भी डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. बाइल क्या करता है? बाइल helps in the emulsification of fats, right? और pancreatic juice क्या करता है? It helps in the digestion of proteins, carbohydrates and fats, right? So this is how the complete digestion of food takes place in the small intestine, in the duodenum of the small intestine. Then food goes to the jejunum, where the maximum absorption of nutrients takes place. See students, in the jejunum, there in the inner lining of the jejunum, there are some finger-like projections are present, just like this. This finger-like projections are there, which is known as villi. ये villi क्या करते हैं? They just increases the surface area of the inner lining of the small intestine. ये small intestine के inner part का surface area बढ़ा देते हैं. And these villi are richly supplied with the blood vessels. Right? These villi are richly supplied with the blood vessels. जिससे क्या होता है? ये जो villi है, ये help करती हैं nutrients के absorption में. Right? So that nutrients can be directly absorbed by the villi and it get mixes with the blood. This is how all the nutrients can reach to all the parts of the body. Right? Stomach में digestion हो रहा है, still all the parts of our body needs nutrients. राइट हमारी पूरी बॉडी को ग्लूकोज चाहिए होगा, हमारी पूरी बॉडी को एनर्जी चाहिए होगी. तो ये एनर्जी कैसे मिलेगी? उसके लिए अलग प्रोसेस होती है, दैट इज रेस्पिरेशन. हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में पढ़ेंगे, रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम के वीडियो में पढ़ेंगे. तो अभी यहाँ पे जो एब्जॉर्प्शन हो रहा है, दैट इज टेकिंग प्लेस इन द जेजुनम बाय मीन्स ऑफ विलाई. विलाई क्या होते हैं? दीज आर द फिंगर लाइक प्रोजेक्शंस विच आर रिचली सप्लाइड विद द ब्लड वेसल्स विच absorbs the nutrients, and this is how nutrients can be transported to all the parts of the body. Then ileum, it is also the small part of the small intestine where also the little absorption of nutrients takes place, and this ileum opens in the large intestine, and you can see this part, this intestine is known as, this part is known as large intestine. This one is a large intestine, right? Large intestine सिर्फ नाम ही large है इसका, होती है छोटी, right? तो large intestine में क्या होता है? Large intestine में the maximum absorption of salt and minerals takes place or water takes place, right? तो large intestine में salt, water and minerals का absorption होता है. Then whatever the leftover food is there, whatever the waste undigested food is there, that is stored in the rectum. यहाँ पे डायग्राम बन नहीं पाया है. The lower most part which is known as rectum, कुछ इस तरीके से rectum होता है. Then this rectum opens by a opening which is known as anus, right? So by means of anus, the undigested food get removed from the body, which is known as egestion. ओके जो हमने सबसे पहले पढ़ा था कि ingestion that takes place by means of mouth, then digestion which is takes place in the stomach and small intestine, then absorption which is also takes place in the small intestine, even in the large intestine, then assimilation, that is the making of complex substances, right, simpler substances by using the complex one, then egestion is removal of waste products from the body, right. This is how the digestive system in that the digestion completes in the human body. So students, even if you have any query regarding this topic, if you have any doubts, so you can ask in the comment section. So keep liking my video, keep subscribing my video, share it also. Thank you.